Do you battle dry, persistent cough at night? The remedies listed in this video will help you get a good night's sleep. In this video, we will learn common causes of dry cough, home remedies and effective herbal treatment methods. So sit tight and watch this video in full. Dry, persistent coughs and an itchy throat are common symptoms of colds or fever or an allergy. These problems can be quite inconvenient, especially when you want to have a good night's sleep. Usually, normal or productive coughing is said to be the body's way of removing unwanted substances like phlegm, and shouldn't be inhibited. Contrastingly, a dry, persistent cough, also called unproductive cough, does not come with any substance, it's just dry, and needs to be suppressed. Causes of dry coughs at night. As already stated in the introduction, dry coughs can be the symptoms of colds or flu, however, they can be the result of some other underlying health conditions. The following are some of the other common causes of itchy throats and dry coughs. Bacterial and viral infections like tonsillitis or bronchitis. Heartburn. Smoking. Air pollution. Hay fever. The side effect of some other medication. Food or drug allergies. Home remedies for dry cough at night for adults. Use a pillow while sleeping. Lying flat while sleeping can be a stimulant for heartburn to occur. Heartburn or acid reflux is a cause of dry coughs as stated previously. To reduce the occurrence of this happening while sleeping, use a pillow or cushion to elevate the head. Sage tea. Like thyme, sage has been used since ancient times in the treatment of coughs. To prepare sage tea, add some leaves of the plant to boiling water. Allow the mixture to steep for some minutes and drink through the day, including before bedtime. Lemon juice. To soothe your tickly throat and treat dry coughs that deny you from having a good night's sleep, you should drink lemon juice. To get the juice, squeeze a lemon fruit into warm water. You can add honey to the mixture and drink. Humidifying your room and your throat. Increasing the moisture in the air inside your room is a good way of soothing the dry cough. You can also moisturize your throat by inhaling steam or by having a hot shower. Honey vinegar mixture. Apple cider vinegar and honey are rich sources of antioxidants and have anti-inflammatory properties which help in alleviating dry coughs. Drinking this mixture before going to bed is a natural treatment for dry coughs and itchy throats. Aloe vera juice. Aloe vera has anti-inflammatory properties that help in relieving dry cough and itchy throats. To make a juice from the plant, split a leaf and use a spoon to take out the gel. You can consume the gel alone or can sweeten it with honey. Home remedies for dry coughs in children. Dried grapes. If your child is down with dry coughs, you can feed her with raisin syrup. This syrup can be made by boiling crushed raisins in water. Honey. The use of honey for treating dry coughs in children should only be administered to children above 1 year of age. That being said, you can give your child honey if she has a dry cough and is older than 1. Milk. Feed your young child with milk to reduce coughing. Massage. Massaging your child's chest and back when he comes down with a cough can help to relieve sore muscles which are associated with a dry cough. Sugar candy. This is a sweet remedy for dry coughs in children. The presence of capsaicin in the candy helps to relieve the symptoms of cold and flu due to its antibacterial properties. A word of caution though, you shouldn't give a child younger than 3 years of age sugar candy to avoid choking. Garlic. Adding mashed garlic to your meal is a healthy way of treating dry coughs. The anti-inflammatory and anti-irritation properties of the herb help to soothe the cough. Herbal remedies for dry cough at night. Oregano oil. A research shows that applying a drop of oregano oil to either side of the tongue can help in bringing relief to dry coughs and itchy throats. The oil helps to treat the coughs as well as in its prevention. A word of caution. Oregano oil is known to be acerbic, so you need to only use it in drops and not in large amounts. Marshmallow tea. Like any other tea, drinking a filtered mixture of marshmallow roots in boiled water is a home treatment for an itchy throat. The soothing effect of this tea helps in reducing the dryness and itching of the throat. Thyme tea. Adding some leaves of fresh or dried thyme to warm water, and drinking will bring relief to an irritating throat and cough. Thyme is an age-old herb with great health benefits including antibacterial and immune-boosting properties. Ginger peppermint syrup. This is an effective home treatment for dry coughs. While ginger helps to soften the phlegm, if any, the peppermint works as an anti-irritating agent to stop the itching. Boiling some ginger and peppermint in water, and subsequently adding honey produces a home solution to your cough. Onion juice. Onion contains flavonoids which have anti-inflammatory and antibacterial properties that help in the treatment of itchy throat and dry coughs. Propolis. Propolis is a combination of beeswax and bee saliva. This mixture is effective in the treatment of respiratory tract infections. You can consume propolis by adding a few drops to a glass of water. Licorice root tea. Licorice root is a known herbal plant with several medicinal properties. The tea made from this root is a healthy and natural solution to dry coughs and tickly throats. Turmeric milk. Turmeric is found in curry and is known to contain antioxidants as well as having anti-inflammatory properties. Drinking a mixture of turmeric added to 1 cup of hot milk every day will aid in relieving irritated throats. To get the best from turmeric, it is advised that you use goat milk instead of the cow variant as the latter promotes the production of mucus. Carrots. Carrots are rich in minerals and vitamins such as vitamins A and C. Although the vitamin C content isn't as much as the vitamin A, it still helps in the reduction of coughs. You can eat raw carrots or you can blend them into a juice for drinking. When to see a doctor. Make an appointment with a doctor if your cough lasts longer than 7 days or if it gets worse over time. See a doctor right away if you experience any of the following: coughing up blood, fever, shortness of breath, chest pain and unexplained weight loss. A dry cough that keeps you up at night can be exhausting, but it usually isn't a sign of anything serious. Most dry coughs are lingering symptoms of colds and flus, but there are a few other possible causes. If your cough doesn't go away after 7 days, make an appointment with a doctor. Have you tried any of these remedies before? Please drop your comments below. Don't forget to click the subscribe button below for more research-based home remedies and natural health tips. Follow us on Facebook at Natural Herb Cures and Twitter at Natural Herb Cure and our official website at naturalhealingguides.com.